In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the GCash 9999 error. GCash is a popular mobile wallet in the Philippines, but like any app, it can sometimes have issues. Don't worry though, I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve this error. Let's dive right in. First, let's try switching networks. Begin by turning off your Wi-Fi. This is a crucial step because sometimes your Wi-Fi connection might be unstable, causing the error. Once you've turned off Wi-Fi, go ahead and turn on your mobile data. This ensures that you're getting a fresh network connection, which can often resolve temporary issues. Open the GCash app now. Check if the error still shows up. If the error persists, there's no need to worry. Simply switch back to Wi-Fi and give it another shot. Switching between networks can sometimes reset the connection and clear the problem. Now, if the error continues, let's try a different approach. We will use the airplane mode trick. Enable airplane mode on your device. This step will completely disconnect all network connections. Wait for about 30 seconds. This gives your phone enough time to reset its network settings internally. After that, disable airplane mode. This step will reconnect your device to the network, often fixing any lingering connection issues. Now reopen the GCash app. Check to see if the error is gone. This step is important because it refreshes your phone's connection to all networks, which can solve a lot of problems. If you're still facing the error, don't worry. We have another method to try. Let's clear the app cache, especially if you're using an Android device. Open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and their data. Tap on Apps, and then find GCache in the list. Select it. From there, tap on Storage. You'll see an option that says Clear Cache. Tap on it. This action will remove temporary files that might be causing the error. Clearing the cache is a good way to resolve issues without losing any important data or settings. You can now open GCache again to see if this step resolved the issue. If you've tried all these steps and the error persists, it's time to contact GCache support. Go to the GCache Help Center. This is the official support channel where you can get direct assistance. Tap on Chat with Gigi, the support bot. Type in error 9999 inches to start the conversation. At this point, it's helpful to submit screenshots of the error. This gives the support team a clearer picture of the issue you're facing. Follow the instructions they provide. They have more tools at their disposal to diagnose and solve the problem. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've done everything you can to address the GCache 9999 error. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries before the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to using GCache smoothly.